Okay, this is my 230 Pfaff sewing machine that I refurbished. Okay, I'm going to show you how well it sews through thick stuff. Alright, this is 4 layers of canvas. I'll put it up here. Sews really well. Okay. Next, there's 4 layers of vinyl. My thread got locked up. There we go. Pull that out. Okay. Went right through that. Alright. 5 layers of denim. Okay. Went straight through that. No problems. So if you need a really good machine, you want one that will last a long time, get this one because it works really well. It's fast. It has a 1.3 amp motor on it, so it will work fast for you. The only thing that's missing from this machine, alright, is the needle threader. Okay, when I got the needle threader that's here, okay, when I got it, it didn't have a needle threader on it, so, and I can't find a part to replace it with. So this machine comes without the needle threader, but you can thread it up very easily. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video.